Letter A. We cannot do an F-max test because we have a different size in each sample. Letter B. To calculate T, you need to add the scores in each treatment. To calculate the sum of x squared, you square all the scores in the study and then you add them. And also, if we use T instead of the sum of x, because there will be a confusion when you calculating the sum of x squared. Letter C. You need to find your F ratio. And then you find your degrees of freedom. So your degrees of freedom of total is 23. Your degrees of freedom between is 2. Your degrees of freedom within is 21. And you use degrees of freedom between and within to find your critical value, which was 3.47. Then you need to find your sum of squares in order to find your F ratio. So your sum of square of total is 133.33. And your sum of square of within is 72. Your sum of square between is equal to 61.33. Then the final step is to find your mean squares. So your mean square between is equal to 30.67 and the mean square within is equal to 3.47. So you need to apply this to your F ratio formula and you get 8.94. And because the 8.94 is greater than the critical value, you reject the null hypothesis. So there's a significant difference in the student judgments about cheating depending on how they see their teachers. Letter D. We cannot do a Tukey's HSD test because there are different sizes in each treatment, in each sample, Letter E. The poor teacher group is driving the treatment effect in this study because it has the largest mean comparing with the other two groups. For letter F, you find your n squared and that will equal to 0.46, and this is a median effect. Finally, G. The analysis of variance shows significant mean difference in student judgments about cheating depending on how they see their teachers. So this is going to be how you write the results in the AP style.